Today I will be showing you in Excel spreadsheet a certain feature in which I will be showing you search box. Now by this search box I mean that uh, take an example of this table. So in the row, in this row section, whenever I am typing some value, the row will be highlighted, and in this cell portion, whenever I am typing some value, in this it will be searching for that value in this whole of the table, and if it finds that value, it will be making some color formatting. That's all about a search box. So searching based on some value, and that value, if it is being found, then the row will be highlighted, and if that value is found, then the cell will be highlighted. So let me explain what I am trying to do. So in my this Excel data, the table which you are viewing, there is something like Tribeni. So let me write Tribeni and let's see what happens if I write Tribeni and then press enter. So see, in this Excel sheet, all of the data which has this particular column, this location, out of this whole table, wherever it will be finding this Tribeni, it will be formatting it. The formatting is something like this, that the background color is green and the font color has been changed to blue. Let me clear out the Tribeni, and in the cell section you can write any of the value. Say suppose I'm writing domestic. Let's see if it finds the value. Yeah, it has fetched the value for domestic, and the color is something like, the background color is the fill color is yellow, and the font color is something like light blue. Anyways, so apart from domestic, let me type something else, like let me type Billa. So Billa is present in A6. Let me type Billa and press enter. So Billa has been highlighted. What about some other cell value? How about HWH? Means Howrah. Let's press enter. So Howrah is being populated. Howrah is being shown in this particular table. So this particular conditional formatting, based on some cell values, the row will be highlighted, and based on some values, the cell will be highlighted. How did I achieve this? So I have named the master sheet. In the master sheet, already the formula has been set, and all of the calculations and all of the calculating steps are being done, and nothing more is to be done in this sheet. So how I achieved it? For that reason, I will be moving to the child sheet. The sheet just right next to it. So let me delete this particular value for the row. Now to apply conditional formatting, I need to select the range of cells. So I will be applying some conditional formatting over this range of cells. Now you can easily imagine that there may be 50,000 data. So the first row is for the column level, and the 14th is the last record. So that means that there are 13 rows present in my Excel table. So there might be a scenario in which you will be having 50,000 data, and out of this 15,000 data you will be searching based on location, or maybe based on vendor, or maybe purchaser, or maybe zone. So this particular row section, to achieve this scenario, the conditional formatting will be, the conditional formatting is based on this range of cells. Over this range of cells I will be applying some conditional formatting. So I will be going to the new rule, and then use the formula to determine which cells to format, and in here I will be writing equal to. Now if the searching for the row, if the searching is based on the vendor, I need to select a cell for the vendor, and if it's the location, then I will need to select the first cell of the location. See, suppose I am searching based on the zone. So what I will be doing is that I will be selecting this particular section. So $D and $2 means that the row is fixed. $D means column. The column is fixed, and $2 stands for the row number. The row number is also fixed. Now that's not the scenario which we will be working upon. The scenario which we will be working upon is that D will be fixed, but this the row number would change. So what we will be doing is that we will be pressing F4 key from my keyboard. So F4 key, what it does is that it changes the cell locking properties. So equal to $D $2 means that D will be changing, but the second row would be fixed. But that's not the scenario which I am talking about. My scenario is something like this. I will be pressing F4 key one more time. So $D means that the column is fixed, but this 2 means that the row number, it would be changing, and it would be searching the value from this particular, the value which you will be giving in this particular cell, that is $N$4, that cell is being fixed, that value will be searched inside this $D2. Now if the searching is not based on the zone, we will be selecting, if it is based on location, so what we will be doing is that we will be selecting C2, and it would be $C2. So $C2 means that the C column is locked, and 2 means that that particular row label will be changing. Now we'll be going to the format tab and applying some custom formatting. For this particular purpose, I will be going to for a field color of maybe this one, and the font would be italic, and the color of the font might be say this navy blue. Fine, then press OK. So that's the formula. Okay, now press OK finally. Now in the row section, I am searching over based on the zone. So if I type S and then press enter, all of the S are being selected. So what if the searching is based on some, let me delete this S. I want to search based on the row would be selected based on some vendor or maybe purchaser. For purchaser, what we will be doing is that we will be selecting this range of cells, and over this range of cells we will be applying some particular formatting, and we will be creating a new rule, and the new rule will be something like this, that equal to. So if the searching is based on the purchaser, I will be selecting A2, but this A2, I mean the A column is fixed, but this 2, that is the row number, it will be changed. It will change. So basically I will be pressing F4 key from my keyboard until it's $A2, fine, equal to, and it would be comparing the value, picking the value from this particular cell, and in the format section I will be applying some custom formatting, maybe field. The background will be maybe this one, this orange, and the font will be something like maybe bold italic, and its color might be something like what the color can I choose? Maybe it will be this one, this dark green. Then press OK. Then press OK one more time. Now if I provide some value for the purchasers, suppose I am providing Billa, and I am pressing enter. So see, the Billa is being highlighted. In a similar fashion, if I type Kiran and press enter, the Kiran is being highlighted. Now for the cell, to apply this, let me delete this Kiran, and for the cell, to apply some kind of the search box in this for some cell value, it will be searching within this whole of the table, and if it finds particularly that particular cell value, it will be highlighting the cell. So let me select the range of cells over which this conditional formatting will be working upon. We will be going to conditional formatting and then new rule, and use the formula to determine, and equal to, we will be selecting any of the column, any of the cell. So suppose A2. So now A will be changing, means it won't be $A, and the 2, the row number would also be changing. So simply what we will be doing is that we will be pressing function key F4 from the keyboard until and unless it is only A2, equal to, it will be searching this value, that is the value which is present in the N cell 7, and if it finds that value, it will be applying some custom formatting. I will be going to the field, and maybe for this particular scenario I will be giving a background color of red, and the font color maybe say bold, and the color would be suppose this one. Fine. Now press OK. Now press OK. Now if it finds any value, so suppose I am pressing 3, then press enter. So 3 are being highlighted. If I am pressing domestic, what will happen is that domestic will be highlighted, and I can search for WBSETCL, then press enter. So WBSETCL is being highlighted. So in this particular Excel tutorial, this Excel guide, I have shown you that how can you achieve a simple search box. And now you have a 50,000 data, and from that 50,000 data you need to point out, so suppose Some other scenarios, maybe the students who are who have enrolled for the subject as physics. So find me all of the in that particular range of cell. Find me the physics, that particular I mean cell value. Or maybe row, in the row section I will be searching for some student name. Maybe the student name is Shantos. So I mean show highlight the row where Santosh is being present. I mean show the data of all the persons whose names is Santosh. So hope I am being able to clear out what I am trying to achieve in this particular Excel tutorial, or maybe this Excel problem guide. So do comment in the I mean do give some comment in the comment section of this particular YouTube tutorial, that if you are finding it hard to, I mean if you need some other help or something like that. And if you have, I mean if I am being able to clear out the whole of the concept clearly, do subscribe to my channel through a like button. And if you if you have any query or some more thing to clarify upon, do give throw some comment. So what it will basically it will do is that I am not monetizing my YouTube channel. It will basically help me grow my database, knowledge set or something like that, and it will motivate me to make further videos to share it with you guys, some interesting topics and things in Excel. So that's all for this video tutorial. I am not making this. I'm not making this. Extending this video with some. I mean, rubbish words anymore. Any more rubbish words. So hope I am being able to clear out my in a gist way what I was trying to achieve. Thank you all for staying till the end of the video till this time, and happy coding guys. Do practice, since practice makes everything perfect. Thank you all, and see you again for some other tutorial. Thank you.